Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean a carport roof using the Kärcher K7 surface cleaner. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. Well guys, you've seen me clean my carport roof, and the applications for this surface cleaner is absolutely 100% tops. If there's only one part of equipment you need for cleaning, and this is the one. It's a surface cleaner by Karcher. This one came as a pack with a K7 and is well built. And I'm going to say to you now, you need one of these. If you haven't got one, you need one. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do check out the description below. And we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!